There seems to be a leprechaun in my apartment and I can't seem to catch him. Oh, he's got me beer!
Hey, I'm Caitlin O'Friel and welcome back to another episode on my channel. I know it's a little late for this holiday, but when you're as Irish as I am, it's St. Patrick's Day every day. So I thought it'd be fun to give you a little tour of my decor. So if you want to enjoy this video, just keep watching. I got everything from Amazon and the dollar store, so I'm not gonna bore you with more small talk. Why don't you just enjoy this lovely little decor tour while you listen to some music and all the balloons are falling back there. Bye.
For us to make it through the night, stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. Told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too.
I purchased everything here from the dollar store as well as Amazon, so be sure to check out my Amazon storefront. I post a lot of items like lifestyle and home decor and some fashion and beauty as well, with curated list for themed holidays and events. So I have a specific list just for the St. Patrick's Day decorations. I will link it down below. Be sure to check that out and follow me on my Amazon storefront. That would mean so much to me. I also curated a fun playlist on Spotify with some Irish tunes and St. Patrick's Day themed music. So if you want to go ahead and enjoy that as well, I will definitely link it down below. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel and it means so much to me. I would love for you to subscribe and join me here on my channel. That would also mean a lot to me. So be sure to do that if you want to. And next up we have Easter just around the corner. And guess what kind of Easter decor I am doing? Bridgerton themes. So obviously you have seen Bridgerton, or hopefully you have at least, and the colors are just so beautiful. They're really nice in pastel colors, and I just feel like they remind me so much of Easter. So that's the theme I'm doing for Easter. So stay tuned for that right around the corner. See you next time. Love you guys. Bye. Toodles. Oh my God. Ah. Cheers!